Hello, everyone. Welcome. And this is Bhavna, the Golden Light. I am so excited to bring you the self care, self love part one happening in February. Do not miss it for anything because what you are going to be learning is do it yourself techniques every single day, how you can start to love yourself. Because we try to, in our lives, including mine, I have put everybody first. Your family members who you love, your friends, community, anybody, your parents, everybody, you try to put yourself, everybody else first. And if you are the last on your list, this is very important. I am going to teach you how to start to love you and your soul and let go of the limitations, let go of I'm not good enough, and let love in for yourself and the soul. So I hope you can join me and transform your life. Let's start it together. Let's learn. Let's shift. Let's be who we are. And then we can take care of everyone we love, right? But if we are best, we are feeling amazing from inside, others in our family will feel the same. But if you're exhausted, tired, feeling like that, you're pushing yourself, then you cannot take care of others and you're going to get irritated and angry. But let's help you feel calm, happy, and yay! So join me February 12th, online or in person. In person in Shrewsbury, Massachusetts, online wherever you are. Okay? See you soon. Love you. Bye.